Holy shit, it's thundering over me. And I mess up. Or miss up it. Woo. Holy shit. And this is the another thunder what I found. Or what is here right now. Let's go. Okay, let's just go. I'm getting wet. This have not never ever been like this. I'm pretty sure that this place is full of water too. Oh, it was over me again. Holy shit. Never have been that strong thunder here. Holy fuck. I failed the first time when I go to here at the rain because my phone got touched somewhere and pressed the home button and stopped the recording. Or I'm not that sure did it get it, but it was really loud. Ooh, I have never been anything like this, and there's still the hails at the ground. But I'm for sure going to record this again over me. That sounds so weird. I just want it with me. Everything is really wet. It's starting to stop, but it's lighting somewhere like there. Ah, there's another cloud. That's why it's doing that. These are probably real lightnings. Oh, I have 8% battery.